Hey Diva Dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with another video. So again, I am bringing more content to this channel this year. I've gotten so many requests for beauty videos, so I've decided to record when I do my makeup for you dolls, for any haul, for any kind of getting ready with me, any vlog, anything that I do. So if you want to see how I created this face, stay tuned.
I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you.
Alright y'all, so I've already primed my face. I already put on everything I needed to as far as my eyebrows, and here I start with some concealer. Now yes, my concealer is really light. I put a little too much on, so this is me just trying to blend it out with my beauty blender. Now I have so many beauty blenders, but I always go back to the original. This beauty blender is 20 bucks, but y'all, it's so worth it. It's really soft. It moves and blends everything without it being too harsh. So if you haven't invested in a beauty blender, I strongly recommend it. Now this brush I got from a pack from Real Techniques right from Walmart. And I'm just going outside of my eyebrows to kind of define my eyebrows a little bit more. Now this is my favorite. This is the Contour Palette by Black Radiance. I like to use it for eyeshadow, for contour of course, but I'm using that middle color and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my transition as far as like in my crease. And the darker color I'm using on my outside edge of my eye, like the outside V. And I'm just going back in, making it a little darker. Now as y'all can see, my hair is red. This is one of my favorite wigs. It's a red wig that I made. I will put the link if you want to see how I got this color for this hair. But on my eyes I use brown eyeshadow as well as like a orangey color. So that's how I got my eyebrows like that. As far as my eyeshadow is concerned, I'm using the Heat palette, which is by Naked, and I'm just sticking with the brown darker shades and as well as some of the orange shade. Now y'all are always going to hear me say whenever you're doing makeup, definitely blend. That's what makes your makeup look. So after I put the brown in my crease and I kind of darkened it a little, I'm just going ahead and put that shimmery brownish orangey color right on top. So y'all, most of my looks are just 3 eyeshadows. I like to keep it very simple, very easy, and that's what I have for my eyes. So next I'm moving on to Fenty foundation. Now this color is color 390. Actually it's color 380. So yeah, this color is 380 and I'm just putting it on with one of these foundation brushes. This brush is from My Makeup Brush. I'll put the link down below. I like them because it helps me blend my makeup without having to paint it on using like some of the other foundation brushes that I have. So I did spray my face, by the way. I always spray my face after putting on my foundation. What I'm doing now is working on my contour. So again, this is the palette by Black Radiance and this is the cream. So they have a powder, they also have a cream. I like to use this in a little brush. Again, I'll put the brush info down below, but I love using this little brush on my nose. I simply just contour the top on the sides and then I blend it out with my beauty blender. I prefer to use the middle brown shade in the contour palette because it's not so harsh. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I know you know someone or seen someone who walks around with these lines down their nose. That is a no-go, girlfriend. You need to go back and blend. So that's what I'm doing here. And y'all be sure to check out the link down below for this music. This is by Young Bodies, and y'all, this song is getting it. Do y'all hear that saxophone? Do y'all hear that saxophone? Like, I need y'all to know, I used to play the saxophone in 5th grade, and y'all, you couldn't tell me it was nothing. Like, you couldn't tell me I wasn't nothing. Have y'all seen that movie Mo Better Blues? Oh my gosh, like, that's when I fell in love with the saxophone. But anyways, shout out to Young Bodies. Click the link down below. Show him support. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm just getting back to my contour. I put a little bit of the darker color on first, and then I'm going back and I used an angle brush that I got from Walmart, and I'll put the details again down below, and I just kind of buff it out. Now I did put on some translucent setting powder by Laura Mercier. I like to use that better than Ben Nye powder because it doesn't come off so chalky. And I'm just warming my face back up with a blush brush and some blush. I also take this time to kind of blend out my contour because I do not like a deep contour. Now for my lips, I am using this lip liner from a friend. She has a line, I really do adore it. It's called Fancy 525 Cosmetics. This color is really great if you're pairing it with any kind of nudes, or in this case I wanted to do like a burnt orange look, and I didn't want to go too dark with the brown. And I'm going ahead and putting on my lip color. Y'all, I am in love with these lippies. These are from ColourPop Cosmetics. I do not get paid to really talk about any of these products. I am just sharing these videos because I do my makeup. I always get questions. I want to show you guys how you can do your makeup too. And I recommend this brand because it's super affordable. It's like $5-6. It's long lasting. It does not really come off, and it feels amazing on. Now this is some highlighter. I picked it up because I saw a girl on YouTube. I think her name's Brianna. Hey girl. But she had this. This is Drew Barrymore's makeup line. You can get it from any store. I got this from Walmart. It's a little talky, like it's like you barely have to put any on, but I think it does pretty well as far as giving you that shine and that glow. So I'm just putting my highlighter on the bones of my cheek. I'm putting it on my Cupid's bow above my lip, and I put it down my nose, and then whatever I have left over on the brush, I go ahead and put it on my forehead and a little on my chin. You definitely want to highlight all areas that you want the light to attract, so that's what I'm doing. Then boom, y'all, there she go. Let me know if you want more makeup tutorials. Give me a thumbs up. I absolutely love this look, and I hope you guys try it out. And if you do, leave me a comment down below or tag me on Instagram and let me see. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Get into it. Okay, y'all. So I am like in ginger mode, okay? I am infatuated with redhead people. I think it is such a beautiful color. If you love this hair color, let me know. Give me a thumbs up. I will point you in the right direction for the hair color video, okay? But when I dyed my hair and I got the color I was looking for, I was like, I really want my makeup to set the tone for my hair, okay? So what I decided to do was this look. This look is very much like a reddish, brownish, orangey color, and I adore it. You can use one palette to do this, which is the Heat palette by Urban Decay. I will put the links down below of all the products that I've used. If there's any discount codes, I will find them, put them in the box for you dolls as always. I really enjoyed making this video. Y'all dolls know I love getting dressed up for y'all, okay? So if you want to see more beauty videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel. What are you doing? What are you waiting for? Get it popping. It's free. If you think your homegirl, your mama, somebody would enjoy this video, your gay best friend, whatever, go ahead and share as well. In fact, if you have any suggestions, any feedback, leave the comments down below. I love reading y'all little love messages, and I appreciate y'all so much for y'all support, y'all. Y'all make it possible for me to do what I love to do. So thank y'all for it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.
They wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah. I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die. die for them to miss me.